another video, and so I already checked on my channel, and it's locked, but I don't have any subscribers, so well, I add the channel, so it's not going on, and we're not gonna let me get in it, so we're gonna have to do something like, I understand you want to see me talk and all that on YouTube videos, and this is what you want. But if you don't have the certain things they asking for, then you can't get paid. And your paid thing is locked. Mine's not. What's locked is just saying learn, and like I have to get like 1,000 subscribers or like 550 in order to get a certain amount of the money and stuff like that. You feel me? So it's like it's the same amount that I have to go through and get a certain amount of money that it's understandable and cool. So I understand that. And it's okay that you're new to this. I've been doing this since I was a little kid. So I don't have a problem doing this. It's just I've done this before and I didn't get nowhere. So that's why I say you knew and I know. I'm not new to this. I've been doing this. So, but yeah, it's okay, man. It takes time. Sometimes, you understand patience is key to do something. It's not a big deal of it. But yeah, that's that. Yeah. So make sure you guys keep subscribing. Keep turning on your notifications so every time we post. Yeah, we get notified, but on that note,